the occupant did say that she's heard squirrels or rodents in the attic. And if that's the case, then it is plausible that they chewed through those soft PEX water lines. We're going to pull the sheetrock back a little bit more and see what we can reveal. Right there. There might have been one over here too. Right there. See that stream just spraying out. So we'll go ahead and inspect the line all the way back. Rodent was eating acorns right there. And these guys are so smart, they know that these are a source of water, these lines here. And if they just nibble on them a little bit, they can get a drink of water with their meal.